Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change scale on Excel graph. So without time wasting, let's start with the video. Before we going to start, I'm requesting you if you like this video and if please hit the like button, subscribe my channel and don't forget to comment below. So let's start with the video. So here we are, this is my sample. As I have graph here with data, so I just created a graph or chart with this data. This is a monthly sales data. You can see I have bar here, and you can see this is a I have the vertical axis value here, and if you have horizontal axis value you can change it. So in order to change scale in Excel graph, there is a process you have to follow. So you have to click on the value. I have vertical value, so just click on it, or you can double click on it. So this option will come here, and you can see you have to go into this option, and here you can see axis option, tick marks, label, number. So just click on the axis option and you can see the bounds, level, and bounds and units. So we are going to show, I'm going to show one by one. So let's start with the bounds. So bounds, you can see that the minimum value is 0 and maximum is 120. So if you want to change, if you want to change, if you want to change this value from 120 to 150, you can change it 150 and click it. So you can see this value has been changed, and it is very easy to readable. Okay, so you can change it as per your requirement. So I just reset it, and if I'm going to if I go to units, so you can see the major units 20. So means the 20 is the major units, and the difference between the units is 20 number. So if you want to increase or decrease the units difference between the units or value, so you can increase. I going to enter the 40 and enter, so you can see the difference, and you can decrease also the value of graph, you can see. Okay, so guys, that is how you can change axis value and maximum bonds or minimum bonds. So I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.